السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, I'll be doing in class 18. So, continuing our practice of exercises from chapter 3. So, inshallah, we're going to finish all the exercises today, whatever is remaining. So, number 19 says Tamal Mayali. So, we should be able to identify all the verbs here. Ta'ammal is ta plus form 2. So the root form is amila. So means ta'ammal means ponder. So it's amar. So we should be able to know the madi, mudari and amar of each form of the verb. So ma'ili, that which is following. Ponder. So it says here, salla, yusalli and salli. So what type of verb is this? Salla. So it's form 2. The shadda, it's a form 2, which means he prayed or he sent prayers. Yusalli is mudari, is praying. Salli is pray or send prayers. So we say in our everyday salah, salli, Allahumma salli ala. So salli, it comes from form 2, amr. So you're asking, are you requesting Allah to send salutations? So it also means pray. So let's take some examples. Asallaita az-zuhra ya Hussein. Asallaita az-zuhra ya Hussein. So did you pray the zuhr? So we know fa'il, fa'il and maf'ul bihi. So sallay is your fa'il, ta is your fa'il, taqdirhu anta, so in front of you, and that is ya Hussein, and az-zuhra is your maf'ul bihi. So did you pray the zuhr ya Hussein? So this is sallaytu. So sallaytu again. So if you see, when the mutaharrik pronouns come, the lam kalima gets a sukoon. So whereas in the base form it will be salla with alif, ending with alif maksura. So if you want to conjugate quickly, salla, salla, sallaw. So when it is madi, it will be sallaw. Okay, and sallat, sallata, and sallayna. So when there is the mutaharrik pronoun comes, the ya becomes visible and it gets a sukoon. So from there it will be easy. Sallaita, sallaituma, sallaitum, sallaiti, sallaituma, sallaitun, sallaitu, sallayna. So sallaitu is I prayed fil masjidil haram wa fil masjidil nabawi sharif. So I prayed in Masjidil Haram, that is in Makkah. So al Masjid al Haram is not man'ut. Wa it's at fil masjidi jar majrur and nabawi is your nath, and a sharif is again coming as a nath for nabawi. Wa uhibbu. So this wow is a tough. So what is the fail here? Uhibbu, ahabba, yuhibbu. So here it is form 4. Form 4. Ahabba, yuhibbu. So means I love. So and an usalli is your al mastar muawwal coming as a maf'ulun bihi, is to pray. So I love to pray fil masjidil aqsa biiznillah. So I love to pray in Masjid al-Aqsa in Palestine biiznillah, by with the will of Allah, with the permission of Allah. Salli bina ya shaykh. So here salli bina means lead us. Lead us, ya shaykh, to pray, lead us to pray. So be the imam, that's what it means, ya shaykh. La tusallil fara'id fil bayt. So again if you see la coming فعل مضارع مجزوم. So how do we know it is مجزوم? بحذف حرف إلا. فعل مضارع مجزوم بحذف حرف إلا. So this la becomes la and nahya, where it is commanding us do not pray. So do not pray. What should not pray? Al fara'ida, the fard salah fil bayt. So this command is mainly for the men, They're not allowed to pray in the house where the women are. They can pray if they want to. Lamma usallil asra. So lamma, again it's not yet, which means not yet. Usalli, so I have not read yet al asra, so the asr salah. So that's to give it a practice of salah and its form 2 and how the alif maksura changes to yeah, and the mutahharrik pronouns come. So here Dr. Abdurrahim brings the Hadi Asma'ul Ashhur al Arabiya, so the names of the months in the Arabic. So the first month we know it is Al Muharram, Safar. Third month is Rabiul Awwal, so Rabiul Akhir, Jamadil Ula, and Jamadil Akhir. 7 is Rajab, Sha'ban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulqada, and Zulhajj. So these are the 12 months. So go through again. This is Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Akhir, Jamad al-Ula, Jamad al-Akhirah, Rajab, Sha'ban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulqada, and Zulhajj. So I think we can practice this. So now comes the concept of imma wa imma. So here it means either or. So you have two things which you have to mention. So it is either, and this wa imma, this wow is not, you don't say and or, together it means or. So if you just take some examples, al-ismu, a noun, في اللغة العربية, in Arabic language, imma mudhakkar wa imma muannas. Either it is masculine or it is feminine. So there is no common gender. So the noun in لغة العربية is either mudhakkar or wa imma muannathun. Imma tazuruni wa imma azuruka. So either tazuru, so that's the fa'al. Either you, so it's 5 in your pocket. Zara comes from the Madi Zara, Yazuru, which is Ajwaf, Al Wawi. Yazuru, Tazuru, Tazuru, Azuru, Nazuru. So Tazuru here it means talking about Anta. So either you visit, Nun Nun Wiqaya Mutakallim, Mafulun bih, you visit me, wa imma, or Azuruka. So I visit you. Ibrahim, so Ibrahimu, imma maridun wa imma musafirun. So either he is sick or he is traveling. He's a traveler. So this Dr. Abdurrahim asks us to enter 3. So adkhil imma fi thalath jumlat min insha'ika. So min insha'ika means like as you like. So you can bring any 3 sentences. It's like you can say at-tullab imma yal'abuna wa imma yaqra'una. Either they are playing or they are reading. Or you can say Abi imma ya'mal wa imma yanamu. Either he's working or he's sleeping. Or you can also say al-mudarris imma fil fasli wa imma inda al-mudir. Either he's in class or he's in with the mudir. So you can bring any 3 sentences what you like. So make it simple, so it will be easy to say. That's the concept. So number 20, al-harbu. So al-harb means war. So it's telling about war. So this war is a muannas word. So any nath which comes, so it has to be muannas. So that's what it's being told here. Taqulu, you say al-harbul alamiyatul ula. So al-harbu al-alamiyatu is again coming as a nath. So why it is alamiyatu? Because it is muannas. And again al-ula coming as a nath number 2. So al-awwal and al-ula is muannas. So here it is the first world war, or al-thaniyatu, or second, the first world war or second world war. Al-harbul ahliyatu. So what does it mean? Al-harbul ahliyatu. Ahliya means like within the family, you can say, or the people of the same nation, or what we call as civil war, where people fight among themselves. So al-harbul ahliyatu. So That's the muannas word. Number 21. Hati mudaril afwal atiyati. So bring the mudari of the following verbs. Mana'a, he forbid. So what will be? It will be yam na'u. Is fataha yaftahu. So if you can just recollect the verbs which it's coming from, that will be good. Hawa. So hawa means is to contain. To contain. So yahwi. Hawa yahwi. So yahwi, if you see kasra, it will be yad ribu. So yahwiyu daraba yad ribu. Saraqa yasriqu. So again bab daraba. Qabada. Saraqa means he stole or he steals. Yaqa bidu. Ladaga to sting, and it will be yal dagu. What we did in the dars. Yal dagu. La yal dagu. المؤمن من جهر واحد مرتين. So that is the hadith. So nasaba yansibu. Nasaba yansibu. Sarra. So here sarra, you see, yasurru. Bab nasara yansuru. Yasurru. So these are the madi and mudari, and if you also know the babs, it will be good. So number 22. Hati jamal asma al atiyati. So bring the plurals of the following nouns. So those are the verbs, and we are doing the nouns. Hadithun. So it will be ahadithu. Ahadithu. So this is the pattern of mafa'ilu, which is the diptote. So we know whenever the diptote, when the al comes, it becomes triptote. So it can take kasra, but if there is no al, it can take only fatha, even if it is majrur. So lissu, so thief. So the thieves will be lususun. Lususun. So the pattern of fu'ulun. Jasus will be jawasisu. So again you see mafa'ilu. So that is the pattern. Ahadisu, jawasisu. So that will be your diptote, mamnu min sarf. Qa'idatun will be qawa'id. The grammar. Again qawa'idu, if you notice the pattern, just concentrate on the patterns and remember mafa'ilu and mafa'ilu will be mamnu min sarf. Malbas, clothes, will be malabisu. See, malabisu, mafa'ilu, qawa'idu. Shahinatun is truck, and the plurals will be shahinatun. Shahinatun. The pattern of jama muannas salim. Zanbun, the sin. The sins will be zunubun. Zunubun. Deenun, religion. So if you want to say many religions, will be adyanun. Adyanun. Hujrun is a whole. Hijratun. The plural will be hijratun. Harbun. So we just saw that harbun is war. Plural will be hurubun. Again, it is a pattern of fu'ulun, lususun, hurubun, sujudun. That is the pattern of fu'ulun. Wasana means idol. So, idols means awthanun. Awthanun. Hida'un is your shoe. And shoes will be ahziyatun. Ahziyatun. So here the pattern is af'ilatun, like atribatun, as'ilatun, aqribatun. So that is the pattern. Number 23, adkhil. So again, adkhil. So what is the form here? So we're getting hamzatul wasl, we're getting majzoom, the amr. So it is a form 4. Adkhala, take something and put it or enter it. So this is enter. Adkhala yudkhilu, adkhil, form 4. Should be able to, and bab, if alun. So if you want to just remember, is it aslama yuslimu, islamun. So that's the bab. So here adkhil means enter kulla kalimatin mimma ya'ti fi jumlatil mufida. So to make sentences from these words, salla. So you can make anything. Salla, like sallaitu rakatain qabla salat al-fajr. So I read 2 rakat before Salat al-Fajr. Saraqa, so I can say thief stole my books, like Saraqa lissu kitabi. Mana'a, so Mana'a al-mudiru, the mudir forbade min dukhul al-fasl, so from entering the class. Surra, Surra, he was happy. You can say Surirtu, Surirtu bi kalamika, I was pleased by your talk. Al-harbu, so it's a war, so if you want to use war, it's قتل الناس قتل كثير من الناس, so lots of people were killed في الحرب, in the wars. معظم is most of it. So I can say معظم كتابي, most of my books في اللغة الإنجليزية, or in English, most of my books are in English. ابن كذا وكذا سنة, so ابن كذا means here it means that I'm so many years old, so that's one of the style of saying. So I say أنا ابن 20 سنة, or I can say أنا ابن 25 سنة كذا وكذا, means I'm that many year old. So because it's Hamzatul Wasl, so we say أنا ابن or هو ابن, so you can say he's 25, 25 years old, سنة. So that's the style of saying. So if you go to 24, في 300 لفظ, so here it is a murakkab, the 100, after the 100, 100, 200, 300. So what comes is it comes as a murakkab, where the first part, the lafz miyatun, so the second part miyatin is majroor, because it is coming as a mudaf ilayhi. So this is a combination of mudaf ilayhi, where the first part is mu'rab and the second part is always majroor. So sources so as for the salasa, so the lafz mi'atin majroor bil idafa, is majroor because of the idafa. Amma, so as for salasa fayu'rab, so it is mu'rab. So for example, say indi, which means it will be marfu, mansub and majroor, whereas mi'atin will always be majroor. So that's what here it's being told, that if you see these examples, indi salasu mi'atin riyalin, salasu mi'ati riyalin, so I have, so in the, it is a zarf shibh jumla khabar muqaddam, salasu is your mubtada wa huwa mudaf, mi'ati is mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf, and riyalin is your final mudaf ilayhi. So adad and ma'dud after 100 will be, it is a singular indefinite noun with kasra, so riyalin, kitabin, whatever. So هنا ثلاث مرفوع لأنه مبتدا. So this is ثلاث is مرفوع because it is مبتدا. أريد, so I want what? 300 ريال. So I want 300 riyals. So here ثلاثة here منصوب لأنه مفعول به. It is مفعول به. اشتريت, so I purchased or I brought هذه الساعة, this watch. So هذه is your مفعول به and الساعة is بدل, so that's why it is إعراب of منصوب because it's مفعول به ب300 ريال. So with 4 you can say 300 riyals. So here هنا ثلاثي is مجرور ب حرف جر ب. So ومثل and similarly, so 300 أخواتها and its sisters are 400 و500 إلى 900. So all this like 300, 400, 500, so the same thing. It's a murakkab. The first part is mu'arab, where it is takes damma, fatha, kasra, marfu, mansub, majrur, and the mi'atin will always be mudaf ilayhi, and if it is becoming mudaf, then obviously it will have a single vowel sign. So now we're going to bring some examples to how to use these numbers from 300. So في هذا الكتاب so see, في كم حرف جر and هذا is اسم مجرور and الكتاب is بدل, so it is coming as a شبه جملة خبر مقدم, so looking مبتدا is خمسمائة صحفة. So in this book there is 500 books. Qara'atu, so I read. Minha, from it. So here it will be arba'a. It's coming as maf'ulun bihi for qara'atu. So I read from it 400. Arba'a mi'ati suhfatin. So this is how it is marfu and mansub. Thamanu tazkirati. So the price of the ticket. So what is the price? This umiyati dolarin, 300. So here this is coming as a khabar. So it is, we know it is marfu and وهو مضاف, and مئتي is مضاف إليه وهو مضاف, and دولار is a final مضاف إليه. اشتريت, so I purchased with هذا السوار ب 700 جنيه. So I bought this pictures for 700 pounds. So يدرس في هذه الكلية 600 طالب. So يدرس. So here we have to see, is very interesting sentence here. So we're looking for the fa'il. So where is the fa'il? So we know fa'il is marfu. So if you see في هذه الكلية, so it is jar majrur shibh jumla. So we don't say shibh jumla is jar majrur. في and al-kulliyati is badal in this department. 600. Sittu is your fa'il. وهو مضاف, and مئتي is مضاف إليه وهو مضاف طالب. So 600 students study. So that is how you translate fa'il, fa'il and maf'ul bihi. So here this comes in the position of maf'ul bihi, this comes in the position of fa'il, and that's your fa'il. So yadrusu fi hadhihi al-kulliyati 600 talib. The 600 students study in this department or in this faculty. Ji'tu, see, ja'a yaji'u, ji'tu. So I came. إلى المدينة المنورة عام. I came to مدينة المنورة. عام is year. In which year? عام 400 وألف للهجر. So 400. So how do we say this here? In the year, see, 100 and 1400 Hijri. The Hijr calendar. So the thing is coming to the end now. Number 25. So al-Yahud, so ismu jinsi jam'iyyu. So what does it mean here? Here, the noun here, it says that it is relates to the whole of the, so you can say like a genus or all the people together, they're called Yahud. But if you want to, واسم الجنس الجمعي هو الذي يفرق بينه وبين واحد بالياء الطاء. So who the ismul jins jam'iyya, so the noun which refers to the group of the whole group, and the one it is differentiated from a single person. So if you're telling about Yahud, that means it's all the Jews. But if you want to make that noun into a single, if you're talking about one single person, so that person, that noun is identified in two ways. Either it can have ya at the end, so yufraqu bainahu wa baina wahidihi, so it's differentiated between it and a singular of it is bil ya or bit ta. So either it will have a ya or ta. So let's bring some example and understand what it means. So amsilatul ifradi bil ya'i. So these are examples where ya is brought to talk about one single object or single person. For example, Yahud means it's a jins for all the people, but if we're talking about one particular Jew, it's a Yahudi. So Arabun means for all the Arabs, but if you want to say single Arab person, it will be Arabiyu. Rumun will be Rumiyun. So the ya with shadda, and this will tell us that it's talking about single person. Okay, so ismul jins, so the group noun, if you want to make it a single person, so we should be able to identify this from the nasb, where if you want to tell about a nation, nationality, so you also bring this ya with shadda and the kasra before. And also if you want to make a singular noun from the jins, so turkiyun, so one single person, so you're talking about inkliziyun, so English and one Englishman. So amsilatul ifrad bitta, so singular nouns which are made by using ta. So here ta marbuta. Samakun is a group, there's a whole group of fishes. If you're talking about one particular fish, is samakatun. Shajarun, if you want to say one particular tree will be shajaratun. Tufahun, so the all group of the species, tufahatun. One apple. Ainabun, grapes. But if say one particular grape, so ainabatun. Mauzun, mauzatun. Habbun, habbatun. So this is how you make a singular nouns, either using ya or using ta. So this brings to the end of our chapter 3, so all the exercises. So hopefully everything has made sense to you, so it's easy. So if you go and read back and follow the lesson, so you should be able to follow it completely. So please write and practice. So we'll start with a new concept in our next class. So until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.